In this video, let's learn about the third rate structure, hourly rate per job per resource. Navigate to Time and Billing, Job Form. Here, I have considered CRM implementation job with job tasks associated to it. Under Billing Type, select Time and Material. Upon selecting, field pops up called Rate Structure. And here choose hourly rate per job per resource. Once the hourly rate per job per resource is selected, save the form. A grid will be enabled below the rate structure with the fields added in the grid as resource name, price per hour, OT rate per hour, cost per hour and OT cost per hour. Click on the plus symbol to add a resource to a job. Upon adding the resource from the list in that particular job, the price per hour, cost per hour and OT rate per hour, OT cost per hour associated with that resource should be displayed in the grid. For example, John has been set as price per hour as $100, OT rate per hour as $500 and cost per hour is $50 and OT cost per hour is $100. Here, there are three scenarios when the resource does the time posting for this particular rate structure. First scenario. For instance, when the resource does the time posting for 10 hours a day, and once time posting is approved by a manager, billing line item would be generated for 10 hours into price per hour of a resource, that is 10 hours into $100, and invoice would be generated for the same using the invoice generator. Second scenario. Assume that 20% of the job is completed. User wish to change the price per hour value of a resource, say for $100 to $120. Then the user will update it in the grid under the price per hour field in billing type on job form. And when the resource does the time posting after changing the value under price per hour value, say 5 hours a day, and once approved by a manager, billing line item would be generated for 5 hours into new price per hour value of a resources changed in the grid for that particular job. 5 hours into $120. And invoice would be generated for the same using the invoice generator. Third scenario. Consider that previous time posting was not approved in this case. And if a user changes the value of price per hour to $150 in the grid and does the time posting the next day for 2 hours, and once the time posting is approved, billing line item would be generated based on previous price per hour value only, that is 2 hours into $120. It should not calculate $150 since the previous time posting was unapproved. Thanks for watching this video.